What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to this week's episode of TLA. Oh my god. My god. It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been almost 3 years since I've been here. And if you guys have followed my channel, you guys know what this place is. Do you guys know? Have a quick look. You know where that is? Yeah. Some of you guys know who that is. We are in Big Sur. My absolutely favorite place to fish in this whole world. It's so remote, it's so nice, but it's for experienced kayakers only. So I've checked the weather and today is supposed to be really flat, and I was really worried. I was driving by, there was a lot of rain and a lot of wind on the way here, but here in this particular area it was very nice. I've never given anything up for this place. I've been wrecked here many times. I've been, in my words, baptized many times in this place. So I don't underestimate its potential at all. But right now, it looks nice. So we are going to get set up. We are going to go out and we're going to catch one of my favorite fish, the Big Sur. The Big Sur. Well, this is new. There's a river that otherwise blocks your way, but it's not a deep river, so you just cross it by your feet. Yeah, so you need good beach wheels. You know, guys, if I'm gonna get wrecked, at least I'm gonna make sure you guys get to see it, and I get like a short out of it or something. I've been wrecked here many times. Still scares the hell out of me. We survived and we did not hit a Big Sur baptism. That place is known for baptisms. And if you know, I've been baptized there many times. So, all right, let's fish, man. We are safe. We have survived, my friends. Together we have thrived. Together. And now we shall be rewarded with the rewards. Up there, there are big fish. I think so. right, boys and girls. So when we are on Big Sur, we use squid. Sex herring doesn't really. Sex herring works, but not as much as other places. I did bring some sex herring, but today I'm mainly going to be using squid, and I'll give you the color that I like. Very, very, very productive. Oh, I need you later. All right, so I like to use these. I make these at home. You can buy these at Bass Pro Shops. Those work really well, but I'm using these today. Okay, I'm gonna tip them with a little bit of squid. I'm gonna try to find the bottom, see something I like, and then I'm gonna try to jig it up and see if I can find my target species. Worm. There's a lot of jumping fish over there. They're jumping like crazy. Holy smokes. There's a lot of things in this area. So they're diving from. Yeah. Look at that. Blues. All day. Yeah. Definitely like this place. Look at that. Not huge blues, but they are blues. Check out the size of these massive blues. These are really, really big blues, like 2-pound blues. And they're just like stacked and they're annihilated my bait. Could be a really big worm. Oh, huge copper. Look at that, boys. Wow, copper's just, the coppers on here are huge. This one should be okay to let go. He ate both of them. Just held both of them. I'm not a big fan of keeping coppers. So I get lots of action on my jig. I'm gonna try a sex herring, see what I can get. See if I can find something big down there. It's down to 90 feet down there, so it's significant. 98 feet. Worms like to be deep, but we'll see if I can find them here, or I might find them somewhere else. There's significant life down there. I'll say that. Come on, worm. No ugly lings. No ugly lings, please. No ugly lings. Guys, see what it is? Oh my God, it's another stupid ling. Big Sur. Is this a ling or is this a worm? Feels like a worm. Feels with the head shakes. Oh, damn, that's a massive copper and a ling. Holy smokes, look at that. Obviously you get your filthy ling, but that's a massive copper too. Holy smokes. Massive fish. Look at that. Holy smokes. Look at this fish. Wow. It's a massive fish. You need to eat all that? I don't know. I think you can go, right, buddy? Oh. No. No. You didn't pop out your thing yet. There you go. right, he's gone. I found them. I found them. I found my beautiful reds. Oh, oh, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. I found them. Oh. Look at that. I've been after these guys for so long, but not the huge ones I'm looking for, so I might just send at least some of these right here. Yes! Burns, baby, burns! Day. All day, baby. Burns! Check this out, guys. Check this out. I got an olive. I haven't had these in ever. I love these. Yeah. All right. Check this out. That's a beautiful olive right here. I love olives. Olives are I think one of the best tasting fish. Oh, there he goes. There they go. There they go. They got it. But I'm trying to. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes, olives. I love olives. All right, quick update. Fishing has been nonstop, so it's been really, really good. One of the things that this place has a lot of is big coppers, and that was a really massive copper. I really like just worms and olives. So I got my worm and I cut my olive, and I let the other worm go. So I'm trying to find a really, really big worm to take home, because that's really what I came down here for. But everything else is fair game, man. Yeah. All right, Big Sur, baby. I think I might have a hitchhiker ling. Might have something different. Ah, yes! Worm! Worm, baby! What I'm after. I knew it. Just felt a little different. Here we go. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm after down here. I went all the way, drove all the way down here for this. 3 years I have not got it. The fishing is non-stop, boys and girls. The fishing is non-stop. They are biting like crazy. Down there, 2 seconds. And it's on. This one's big. Oh, it's 2 filthy lings. Holy smokes. Look at that. Oh, another ling. Another ling is looking at this other ling. Oh my goodness, you see that? There was another huge ling that followed this bigger ling, smaller ling. Tell you, ling on ling action, baby. Ling on ling action. That was a ling on ling action right there. Just stop or something because the fish are on the bite now. Just dropping it down there and I'm getting hammered. Whoa! Holy smokes, look at this. You see, guys, see this? These are whitefish. Look, guys, I got 2 ocean whitefish. Really big ones too. Wow. I thought they were sea bass for a second. I was like really hopeful. All right, check this out. 2 ocean whitefish. Yeah, baby. Woo! So quick update. Man, I ran through a school of big ocean whitefish. They're like big ones like this. And then also a school of olives. Oh my goodness. That was the best. I love olives as much as I love worms. Just some of the most cleanest eating fish out there. But oh man, look at this weather. It is just absolutely gorgeous flat. I'm not trying to kill everything in the ocean at this point. Try and use the rest of my bait up and then probably head out. But wow, what a way to return from Big Sur. I'll tell you that. After 3 years I haven't been here. Fish is everywhere. Fish are biting everywhere. Look at. Just leave it there, and then something will bite it. Feels like a whitefish. Wow, that's a tugger. Getting a lot of these tuggers, man. Feel like that's got to be an ocean whitefish. They just bite differently. See? Everywhere. Look at these. They're just everywhere. Big ones too. Holy smokes. I already have a few. It's got to be a pounder tonight. Look at them. Wow, look at that. Huge ocean whitefish. I'm trying to keep everything. Wow. So, before I head in, I just wanted to show you. Look how amazing this water is. It's like turquoise color. Wow. Just wow. Right? Man, how can you just take in all this nature? We are just so blessed to be in California, other than the taxes. But we are blessed. But just look at this weather, man. Look at this weather and look at this coastline. This is a rarity. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna start getting ready and get inside. What an absolutely gorgeous day. The only thing that's gonna make this epic, if I make it back without eating shit. All right, well, I'm gonna head back. I'm out here just for the verms, and then obviously the ocean whitefish was a big bonus. All right, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna try to make it back unscathed. I will turn on the video for you guys. I did not come in unscathed. All right, fingers crossed. Let's get back inside. This place is gnarly, man. It's freaking gnarly. Few places in the world that scared the hell out of me. It's one of them. There's one thing that you do get if you do eat it in this place, is you get a baptism. And when you do get a baptism, you have really good juju fishing for a while. But I don't know if I necessarily want to get a baptism. I don't want to get a baptism, please. I don't want to get a baptism. This place has a lot of memories. Good and bad. And those bad memories, like they circulate every time I come here. All right. What's up, guys? Yeah, friend tweet 7. This one deserves a yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. When I got baptized hard. It got me, guys. This surf today it's difficult. I almost got baptized on the way out, but I got baptized on the way in. There was no way around it. I saw that nose dip, and then I pulled back to ride it up. I did everything I could, but kept the camera rolling for you guys, just in case I got baptized, and I did. So. Done. I am exhausted today. Everything's packed up. We are ready to go. Had wonderful time, man. But the swells coming in are pretty darn big right now. That's the price, man. There's no free lunches at this place. I prayed that I wouldn't get a baptism, but that wasn't in the cards for me. What can I say? I'm gonna have some wonderful fishing in the next few weeks. I know that there's at least one hobbit that's gonna be watching this video and laughing at me. So I had a wonderful time at Big Sur. It's been 3 years since I've been back here, and I couldn't have been more enthused, man. The bite was on all day. So if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on another episode of TLA.